Do you want to promote your content quickly? A big challenge for affiliate marketers is that although they create fantastic content, really valuable content, they cannot reach their audience because they do not have the ability to invest. So, in the 14th over of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series, which is this video, I will tell you how to promote your content quickly. Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet, and before I jump in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out any updates. Okay, so let's jump in. As I said in the 14th over, I will tell you how to promote your content quickly, and I will also tell you the benefit of why you should promote your content quickly. Okay, so there are 4 ways through which you can promote your content like a tracer bullet. Okay, so the first way is Facebook ads. Okay, Facebook ads is the common choice of many coaches, trainers, consultants, and you can utilize Facebook ads to promote your content as well. Okay, and when you set ads on Facebook, you can also show them on Instagram. Okay, then the second way is Udimi. Udimi is a list of people who have a large email list. Okay, they are people who have a large email list and email list in different niches. Okay, so you can select an influencer of your niche, pay them, and they'll promote your content for you. Okay, so the steps of promoting content on Udemy are: number one, sign up on Udemy by going to shubhamjeetkumar.com/udemy. Okay, I'll also place this link in the description box so you can click sign up and start promoting. Okay, the second step is to apply filters based on your budget and niche. Then select influencer. After that, select the schedule. Let's say today is 22nd February and you want to run your Udemy ads from 25th to 27th February. So you can select the schedule. Once that is done, select upload media. Media means the text, image, video, and the link where your audience or prospects will go after they click on the link. Okay, and then pay the influencer so they'll run promotions for you. Okay. Now, the third way of promoting your affiliate content or affiliate links quickly is Google Ads. Google Ads is effective, especially if you are running text-based ads. But if you want to experiment with media, I'd suggest you go for Facebook ads and run video ads on Facebook. Okay. The fourth way to promote your affiliate content or affiliate links quickly is influencer marketing. There are influencers on social media with a huge following of millions. Okay, so you can select them to promote your content. Okay, and the way you do it is: number one, sign up on influencer marketing platform like Shoutcart. I'll again place the link in the description box. You can click, create your account, and select an influencer who will promote your content. Okay, the second step is to apply filters based on your budget, niche, and the platform where you want the promotion. Okay, if you want a promotion on Twitter, select Twitter. If you want Facebook, select Facebook. If you want Instagram, select Instagram, and there are many more filters. Okay, once you apply the filters, you'll get a list of a selected influencers. Then select the one that you like or that you think is suitable to promote your content. Then select the schedule, upload media, again the text, image or video, and then the link, and then pay. An influencer will promote your content on the selected schedule. Okay, so Facebook ads, Udemy, Google ads, and influencer marketing are 4 ways of quickly promoting your affiliate content or affiliate links to your audience. Okay, and the benefit of promoting quickly is that you can reach your target audience, you can reach your prospects in as little as 24 hours. Okay, so that's the benefit. As compared to free ways of promoting content, which take a lot of time, you can reach your target audience in as little as 24 hours. Okay, so this is really powerful, and it suggests you start with 2,000 or 3,000 rupees. Okay, you don't need to invest lakhs of rupees in promotions. Start with 2,000, 3,000, and then scale as your income starts to grow. Okay, so if you're watching this video until now, I want to ask you a question, and the question is: do you want to make 1 lakh rupees per month from affiliate marketing? If yes, do you want to promote products that you have to sell just once and you'll earn over and over? There are products that pay you recurring commissions, which means you pay once and until your customers renew their subscriptions, you will make commissions. So if you want to make 1 lakh rupees per month promoting products with recurring commissions, I'd request you to join my community by clicking the link in the episode description. I'll also pin it in the comments box, so it will be the first link in the comments. Click the link, enroll now, and you'll get immediate access to my community. So that's about this video. In the 14th over of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series, I shared how you can promote your content quickly. And if this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates from myself. So that's about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.